Welcome to the Headings Country Homestead, where we show you how we live, cook, take care of ourselves and our family. We will bring you along as we take care of our animals and homestead. We will bring you along also as we do our gardening from the beginning, from planting, growing, picking, canning, and freezing our foods. My husband was adopted and raised Mennonite, and he had learned a lot from his parents through the years. I have also learned a lot from his parents. We are so thankful to have had them and have his dad still in our lives. We will show you our lifestyle. We are glad to have you along for our journey and our lifestyle. Welcome to our Headings Country Homestead channel. Okay guys, here we are and welcome back to the Headings Country Homestead, and today we're going to make some bagel dogs and I am excited, and here we go. It's going to have almond flour, so it's keto based, and I'm excited to try these. So I'm going to fix the camera so you can see down here what I'm doing and easier and see everything, and so I'll be right back. Here we go. We're going to put cottage cheese in this. It's going to be a cup of cottage cheese. So I'm going to put this in the blender. And we're going to blend it up, is what it says to do. It's kind of messy, but here we go. In the blender we go. I keep forgetting that, yeah, I made a mess. Anyway, it's real cooking here, guys, as you can see. On our homestead, it's not fake stuff, it's the real life deal. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. I have an extension thing because my island here is just an island table. It doesn't have extension plugins on the island, so okay, let's see here. And then we're going to also put almond flour in there. If that's too close or not. This is what I picked. I had some other almond flour, but I think it wasn't fine enough. This is super fine, so that's what we're going to use today. We need 1.5 cups of this. Well, let me see. I should have washed the cup. I guess I could wash the cup right back. Okay, we're going to do a 1.5 cups of almond flour. We're going to say that's a 1/2 cup. Hopefully I didn't go under. Smack it in there. And then we're going to put 1.5 cups of coconut flour, where I think it makes it more like a flour because it's finer, so it changes the dough up, is what I think. Put this bag open, and I got the same organic, great value. That's what I've been getting on there, so coconut flour. And we only need a 1/2 cup of this. Okay, I didn't open that right. Is my life not doing things correctly. Okay, let's open. I don't think it'll hurt anything to do it this way. Actually, let me get a 1/2 cup. I think I want to do it the right way to make sure. I don't want almond flour in my coconut flour, so I'm going to get this cup right here and get a 1/2 cup. That will work. And there's that. And the bowl it goes. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I didn't get that out, so let's go ahead and get that. I didn't get the garlic and stuff either, so let's get that too. Okay, so we need the baking powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. It's going to be a teaspoon of baking powder. Whoops, sorry. That was loud. There we go. Like that. And plop that in. And then we're going to have a 4th teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. I'm just going to open these up and get right in there. My daughter gave me these wood spoons and the cups, and I really like them. Did I even show you? I don't think you've seen what I did with the deal. I'm sorry. Okay, 4th cup of that. Open this like this. A little extra, but I like garlic, so that's okay. And now let me get the salt, because I didn't get the salt. And I like to use the Himalayan salt. I like that better. I hope that's good. Get it open. Sometimes I have a hard time getting things open. And that's going to be a 4th teaspoon also. So there that is. That. Okay, now I'm going to take this loose spatula, and I'm just going to mix this up. I'm really hoping this comes out good, because right now I can't do the bread, but I will be doing bread. When I can, I'm going to be milling my own bread. Well, not my bread, but milling my own flour, so that I can have it without folic acid in it. Can't have the folic acid and different stuff that they do to it. They kind of ruin it for us. They take everything out that's good for you and put the bad stuff in it for you. So that's the way our world is. So I'm going to make it better. Not the world, but make my bread better for me. Definitely can't be the one making the world better. The Lord has to work on that, and people have to be willing. So that's just another story. We're just going to go ahead and mix that all good like we did. I think it's all good. Just making sure the baking powder is not showing anywhere. Okay. Now I am going to put 2 eggs in. I have 2 eggs. They're organic. I'll put them in. 1, 2. Has the inside of the eggs, which is normal, I guess, but yours truly grosses out with some things. So that's that. Now I'm going to add the cottage cheese in the bowl. That's mixed really well, looks like. That's good. Get all this off this thing. It's like everywhere. Do it without making a big old mess. I am so good at making messes, are you? I try to make it neat for your videos, but something happens and I just, it's just me and it just happens. So that's what we'll do. We'll be me. We don't want fake people. We want real people. So. And I take forever, sorry. Okay, there's that. Now let's get it out in the bowl. All of this goodness out of there. Never done anything like this with cottage cheese. It looks like yogurt to me. That was kind of weird. Trying to get everything out of there best as I can. Okay, there it is, good enough. I'll put that aside, and then now I am going to take the cheese, and they say to put it in the microwave until it's stretchy and gooey and good and melted. So that's what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to pause you for now so I can go do this, and I'll come back and we'll get this rolling together and we'll have some bagel cheese dogs. Okay, the cheese, I hope is right. Yeah, I think it's ready. Let's go ahead and stir this stuff all together. I think, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be together. I think it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Oh goodness gracious, it's sticky. You're supposed to use your hands. Well, let's get it in there first, right? Wow, this is really sticky. I'm trying to hurry because we need to get it in there. Okay. Let's get it in together. And I'll mix it with my hands if it ain't too hot. My hands are clean and it's gonna go in the bowl. Okay, let's get all this off so we have all of it. And just get in there and mix it. Then the egg yolks are for, I'm going to be putting it around the corn dog before I put the everything bagel seasoning on top. Hope that's enough. I'm excited. I don't know about you, but this makes me excited to have a nice bagel dog. Okay, let's sieve this away. And we need some parchment paper. Okay. We'll just dry these off, but they're not wet. Hope it will stick. I'll go ahead and dry them all, but I don't know if, well, I think there's enough dough there, guys. There's plenty of dough, maybe leftover dough. If I had gotten the really big hot dogs that that guy used that I've seen the recipe on, I can't remember now what it's called. Dave? Something Dave. That cooking guy Dave or something like that. Okay, I'm looking to see if you can see still. Okay, now I'll come over here. Let's go ahead and get some of the dough. They say put it in balls, but I'm going to go like this and then roll it out. I'm just kind of doing my own thing, I think, as you can see. Putting it in there. It doesn't work the way others were saying, so we're just going to do it our way. I really have high hopes for these.
What do you guys think? I think they're gonna be good. It's not gonna be covering the dog unless I go further over. Okay, how's that? The hot dog's in a blanket. It's more like, I guess you're supposed to cover it all to be bagels. So let's just go ahead and get it all covered. It's looking good to me. I hope I got the cheese right. There's quite a lot of dough there. Did I show you yet? No, I'll show you. Okay, that's completely covered. There's one of them. This is the dough. That's just a lot of dough. So we'll have plenty probably. Get these patted out. I'll probably fast forward this part so you don't have to see me do all of these dogs. Okay guys, there they are. 7 of them. Now, I'm going to put this on there. Hopefully I have enough for them all. I'm supposed to wrap it all in this stuff. I guess I'm going to have to make more. I don't think I have enough for them all. We shall see. I'm going to cut some, I have to break some more eggs and do some more. To me, I would have thought it would have been the egg whites, but I don't know. Guess I'm not right. But these are bagels, so maybe it's different. Gonna get egg on them all. Some more than others, probably. And get them done and get them in the oven so we can try them before church. We have church tonight, so I'm kind of doing this kind of late. I should have probably already been doing these earlier, but there's 3. Am I the quick? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and cover these with our everything seasoning. Just gonna put it on them all. If I can get them out of there. They're looking good. We'll see when they're cooked how well they are yummy. So I had this pan right here we're going to put them on top of. They are looking good to me. Just load them all on there. This is how they look. To me, they look really, really good, guys. Now I'm going to put them in a 350 or 375 oven for, I think it was 20 minutes. And then we'll be back to try them. See them on a plate. I think they look pretty good. What do you think, guys? If you think they look good, give us a comment and a thumbs up if you like the looks of them so far. We'll be back in just a bit. Okay, guys, these... Yeah, in between I get ready for church. So I change. But these look awesome. You can't really see them. I have to pick the camera up so you can see them because they look really good. Look how good they look, guys. These look very yummy, delicious, crispy. See that? Yum. Oh my goodness, they look really good. And they smell really yummy. They smell really, really good. That cupboard's open and it's bugging me, so I'll be right back. So these cabinet doors, 2 of them don't stay shut because I have some spice racks in the behind the doors. They need magnets to hold them shut. And I haven't forgotten, I will get you on my kitchen tour in a bit. It's just not ready yet. Yeah, it's not ready. But these look really, really good. They're very hot. Took the pan out of the oven and was putting it over here and I burnt my finger. So don't do what I do. That hopefully won't bubble up, but these look really good. I'm going to put a few on this plate and get ready to try them with you guys. I mean, they just look really, really good. Oh, they stuck to the thing. I didn't spray it. Uh-oh. So, yeah, that one's broke. They're all probably going to break because I didn't leave the parchment paper down. That's what I needed to do. It's okay. It is what it is. Okay, same thing's going to happen to this one. Yeah, broke the bottom. But that's okay. I should have put parchment paper down underneath like I had on it and left it like he did. I guess why they did it in the videos, that's why. Because now they're all going to have the bread on there. But these look so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. They're a little bit hot right now. They're a little bit hot right now, so I'm going to give them a few minutes and then I'm going to try them. But they really do look like bagel dogs. So I'm going to move this tray out of the way or push it forward maybe because it's not in your way and you can see them. How good they look. They do look really good. Yum, yum, yum. So there's my two. And I'm going to put some mustard and ketchup on my plate. First, I'm going to try it without the ketchup. Then I'm going to try it with the ketchup and mustard because I want to know what it tastes like without it also. Let's see if it's hot enough, cool enough to break it. Maybe not. Gotta break the hot up. It's hot. So I'm gonna cut it in sections. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like, the inside. Ignore where I broke them. But they really look good, don't they? That looks really, really good. Yum. So, yeah, that looks really, really good. And it's really hot right now, so give it a few more minutes. They cut, of course, easy. The bread seems just like a bagel. They smell so good. The smell and everything is just really good. I'll try to put that right in the cheese. But I broke it anyway. So, inside the other one. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. Let's see if I can do this without messing it up. It's too hot. Dropping it. Mmm. Smells good. Now, not everybody probably likes this, but I like ketchup and mustard. Mustard only has a distilled vinegar, water, lemon grapes, mustard seed, lemon grape, mustard seed, salt, turmeric, paprika, spice, natural flavor, and garlic powder. So it's all natural stuff in there that's in right. And the ketchup I got, being no sugar added. Hopefully, be careful there. Now I'm going to dunk it in my ketchup and my mustard, see how it tastes. Oh, I got mustard on my shirt. That's my shirt. I have to wash it off. Kind of squished up a little bit. Hey guys, that's really good. Maybe the coconut oil mixed in with the maybe the coconut oil mixed in with the almond. The coconut flour and almond flour mixed together. Yeah, this is good. I recommend you guys try it. If you guys don't eat the flour and stuff, you can eat it also. Go for this recipe. If you like bagels. If you don't like the everything bagel seasoning, do it just with garlic, or just do it plain. I'm sure that you find plain. So guys, it's good. So that is that. That's our recipe for today that I wanted to do. There's going to be a lot going on. This lately has been recipes and stuff, but that's okay. There's a lot of things that will be coming through the years, and I'm excited. So yeah, go ahead and try them, guys, if you like bagels. But please remember to put parchment paper underneath and leave it underneath. Yum. I'll go watch him eat though. Husband will come out and he'll eat some before he goes to church, and he'll love them, I'm sure. And I'll see you in the next video. This is I know I'm supposed to be doing my cheese, and we will get that one up soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. We'll see you later.